A very good morning and welcome to our 74th year of independence celebration today here at St. Augustine Day School, Kolkata. Once again, welcome, a very good morning and have an excellent day ahead. We are about to begin today's program and we will begin with the flag hoisting ceremony. Requesting all of you, wherever you are, if you can please stand as a mark of respect as our principal, Dr. Richard Gasper, comes forward and hoists the national flag. A very warm welcome to all of you. We are ready with the second part of our program, which is the cultural program, paying tribute to our freedom fighters and our nation at large. But as our custom out here at St. Augustine Day School, let's begin this auspicious celebration by round. And ladies and gentlemen, the world today, especially our nation, requires prayer. So requesting all of you to look to the Lord in prayer. God of justice and truth, we ask your divine blessings on our nation. Thank you for the freedom we enjoy, especially those we take for granted. Thank you for the diversity of our people and enlarge our capacity for tolerance and mutual respect. As we celebrate an independence as a sovereign nation, may we also celebrate an interdependence. Make us mindful of the blessings of our rich and abundant land. May your gracious spirit inspire us to work together to meet the challenges of our times. With all hope, faith, and trust in you, we pray. Amen. Please have a seat. And to take us forward with the day's proceedings, it's a short but very meaningful program that has been planned by the teachers and students. Thank you to Mr. Abhijit Mukherjee, sir, for coordinating and putting this lovely program together. So to take us through with the program, ladies and gentlemen, let us give a warm welcome to our very own Ma'am Suman Rauf. Suman, please.
I'd like to start with something very beautiful related to some very special people around us. खूबसूरत से एक पल का किस्सा बन जाता है, खूबसूरत से एक पल का किस्सा बन जाता है, जाने कब कौन जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। मिलते हैं जिंदगी में कुछ खास लोग ऐसे जिनसे कभी ना बिछड़ने वाला रिश्ता बन जाता है। So everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, and very, very good morning to all the ladies and gentlemen out there, all our teachers over here, our principals are here. So, not wasting more time, teachers will proceed with the program. And I am Suman Rao, your hostess this morning. And the first program that we are going to have is a beautifully recited poetry, Kandari Hushiyar, by our own Miss Akshi Shrestha. So let us welcome her and see her recitation of this poetry.
কান্ডারি হুঁশিয়ার কাজী নজরুল ইসলাম। দুর্গম গিরি কান্তার মরু দুস্তর পারাবার, লঙ্ঘিতে হবে রাত্রি নিশীতে যাত্রীরা হুঁশিয়ার। দুলিতেছে তরি, ফুলিতেছে জল, ভুলিতেছে মাঝি পথ, কে আছো জোয়ান, হও আগুয়ান, হাঁকিছে ভবিষ্যৎ। ছিড়িয়াছে পাল, কে ধরিবে হাল, আছে কার হিম্মত, কে আছো জোয়ান, হও আগুয়ান, হাঁকিছে ভবিষ্যৎ। এ তুফান ভারী, দিতে হবে পারি, নিতে হবে তরি পার। তিমির রাত্রি মাতৃমন্ত্রী, শান্ত্রীরা সাবধান, যুগ যুগান্ত সঞ্চিত ব্যথা, খসিয়াছে অভিযান। ফেনাইয়া উঠে বঞ্চিত বুকে পুঞ্জিত অভিমান, ইহাদের পথে নিতে হবে সাথে, দিতে হবে অধিকার। অসহায় জাতি মরিছে ডুবিয়া, জানে না সন্তরণ। কান্ডারি আজি দেখিব তোমার মাতৃমুক্তিপণ। হিন্দু না ওরা মুসলিম, ওই জিজ্ঞাসে কোনজন। কান্ডারি বলো ডুবিছে মানুষ, সন্তান মোর মার। গিরিশঙ্কট ভীরুযাত্রীরা গুরু গর্জায় বাজ, পশ্চাৎ পথযাত্রীর মনে সন্দেহ জাগে আজ। কান্ডারি তুমি ভুলিবে কি পথ, ত্যাজিবে কি পথ মাঝ, করে হানাহানি তবু চলো টানি, নিয়াছ যে মহাভার। কান্ডারি তব সম্মুখে ওই পলাশির প্রান্তর, বাঙালির খুনে লাল হলো যেথা ক্লাইভের খঞ্জর। ওই গঙ্গায় ডুবিয়াছে হায় ভারতের দিবাকর, উদিবেশে রবি আমাদেরই খুনে রাঙিয়া পুনর্বার। ফাঁসির মঞ্চে গেয়ে গেল যারা জীবনের জয়গান, আসি অলক্ষ্যে দাঁড়াইছে তারা, দিবে কোন বলিদান। আজি পরীক্ষা জাতির অথবা জাতেরে করিবে ত্রাণ, দুলিতেছে তরি, ফুলিতেছে জল, কান্ডারি হুঁশিয়ার।
Start with this patriotic spirit deep inside us, and let us now forward and go to our next event. And this next event reminds me, this is a group dance, ladies and gentlemen, performed by 4 of our talented students, and they are Sumeta, Sanjana, Soumya, and Trisha. So these 4 students together, they have performed in the comfort of their homes, and everything has been compiled up very beautifully by a virtual reality master, Mr. Abhijit Mukherjee. So let us proceed. Let us proceed. The group dance, I Love My India.
Vande Mataram Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Shitalam Sasya Shamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Hum jiyenge aur marenge hai watan tere liye dil diya hai jaan bhi denge hai watan tere liye har karam apna karenge dil diya hai jaan bhi denge hai watan
the next event that we're going to do is a sensitizing, beautifully recited poetry by our very own Jonathan. Let's have a look.
यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आजादी तो हमें 15 अगस्त 1947 में मिली थी, परंतु उस आजादी को हमने किस कीमत पर पाया था, क्या उसकी कीमत जानी है हमने? समय समय पर हमने अपने निजी स्वार्थ के लिए इस आजादी का क्या मतलब निकाला है, बस उसी से संबंधित कुछ पंक्तियां आपके सामने पेश करने जा रही हूँ। क्या कीमत है आजादी की? क्या कीमत है आजादी की? हमने कब ये जाना है? अधिकारों की चिंता है, फर्ज कहाँ पहचाना है? आजादी का अर्थ हो गया अब केवल घोटाला है। हमने आजादी का मतलब भ्रष्टाचार निकाला है। आजादी में खा जाते हैं पशुओं तक के चारे अब। हर्षद और हवाला हमको आजादी से प्यारे अब। आजादी के खेल को खेले फिक्सिंग वाले बल्लों से, हार के बदले धन पाते हैं सट्टेबाजे दल्लों से। आजादी में मनमुटाव के पहलू खूब उभारो तुम। आजादी में मनमुटाव के पहलू खूब उभारो तुम। आजादी इसको कहते हैं अपनों को ही मारो तुम। आजादी इसको कहते हैं अपनों को ही मारो तुम। आजादी का मतलब अब तो द्वेष घृणा फैलाना है। आजादी का मतलब अब तो द्वेष घृणा फैलाना है। आजादी में लाल चौक पर झंडे फाड़े जाते हैं। आजादी में माँ के तन पर चाकू गाड़े जाते हैं। आजादी में आज हमारा लोकतंत्र शर्मिंदा है। आजादी में गाली देने वाला अब तक जिंदा है। आजादी में श्वेत हिमालय हमने काला कर डाला। आजादी में श्वेत हिमालय हमने काला कर डाला। आजादी में माँ का आंचल दुख से हमने भर डाला। आजादी में माँ का आंचल दुख से हमने भर डाला। आजादी में देश के दुश्मनों को शीश झुकाया जाता है। आजादी में देशद्रोह का पर्व मनाया जाता है। आजादी में निज गौरव को कितना और भुलाना है। आजादी में निज गौरव को कितना और भुलाना है। देखो आजादी का मतलब हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। देखो आजादी का मतलब हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। असली आजादी पहचानो। धन्यवाद।
Now, this is an event to move forward towards the last event of our program. Now, we will follow the best last, but I'm not saying it's under part of that song. Anyway, we get to know how beautiful the song comes up. So, let us watch it next.
So that was a lovely song. अच्छा लगा हो तो better items with the like share our next video and next program. Anyway, so we have a very creative principal sir with us, and with all the guidance of Mr. Hadi and Mr. Abhijit Mukherjee, we are able to perform and produce and contribute to such lovely programs. Now, before handing over the mic to Mr. Hadi, once again, I would like to celebrate Independence Day from all of us. Just recite 2-3 times. तोड़ने का हर पिंजरा मेरी उड़ान ये उड़ाना है हर पिंजरा मेरी उड़ान अभी बाकी है तोड़ना है हर पिंजरा मेरी उड़ान अभी बाकी है मंजिलें जमीन पर नहीं आसमान अभी बाकी है लहरों का थमना नहीं समुद्र की बेबसी लहरों का थमना नहीं समुद्र की बेबसी बाहर खामोशी से भीतर तूफान अभी बाकी
We come to the end of this cultural program, but how would our Independence Day be complete without hearing it from our very own principal, Dr. Richard Gasper? So, ladies and gentlemen, our principal with his independence message for all of us.
My dear teachers and students and all our well-wishers who have tuned in for this telecast of Independence Day celebration in our school. This morning, in my speech, I'd like to dwell upon a story that comes to mind. Once a wealthy traveler arrived at the courts of Akbar. The king arranged a meeting at his darbar because the traveler had come from a distant land and wanted to share with the people of his court his experiences in his journeys and travels, and also he wanted to interact with the people. The king welcomed the traveler in his court and told his servants to treat the traveler like a king. The traveler was very happy with the hospitality of the king. One of the days, whilst the traveler was interacting with the courtiers and ministers, the traveler, he asked the question to all the courtiers and ministers as to what was the most precious gift in their lives. Whoever could justify the gift would get a reward of a diamond necklace. All the courtiers were very excited about this. The king then asked the courtiers and his ministers what they thought is the most precious gift in their lives. Some of the courtiers said wealth. Some said they loved peace and unity. Again, some said food, which was essential for survival. Finally, Akbar came to Birbal and asked him, "What is the most important gift in your life?" Birbal said, "Your Majesty, I think freedom is the most important of all gifts." The traveler said, "Well, Honorable Minister, you need to justify yourself if you want that reward." So Birbal, he smiles and says, "Well, yes, of course." Thereafter, he thought of a plan. The next day, he informed the king that he must ensure that the traveler will be given the best treatment, but he will not be allowed to come out of his room for the next 1 week. As Birbal wanted to justify his statement. After a week, the traveler became restless and he was demanding that he could be let out of the room. The guards told the travelers, "Sorry, sir, it is the order of the king." But the traveler said that I am supposed to be treated like a king. The guard said, "Sir, we are treating you well. We are giving you the best of food, the best entertainment, whatever you are wanting." "No, I want to walk the palace grounds. I want to swim in the pond." "Okay," said the guard, "we shall inform the king." The next day, the king called the traveler to the court. The traveler was upset and asked the king, "Your Majesty, what is the meaning of keeping me like a prisoner in my room? You said that I should be treated like a king." Birbal then intervenes and said to the traveler, "But sir, you only told us to justify what to me is the most precious gift that we have. I was just justifying myself to you that freedom is the most important gift in my life." The traveler was very impressed with Birbal and said, "Yes, indeed, freedom is the most important gift in our lives. Without freedom, we can't do anything. Being a prisoner is like living a life in the mercy of others." My dear teachers, students, well-wishers and friends, this story sums up our plight of today. In these days of the coronavirus, we are like prisoners in our homes. We cannot venture out. We cannot worship in churches, temples and mosques. We cannot move freely. Trade and business is totally depleted. The world economy has crashed. Our children cannot go to schools or colleges. Neither can they go out and play. Coronavirus has controlled our lives. We are still searching for our freedom to escape from COVID. The world may be free. India is a free country, but the question is, are we really free today? Besides the COVID pandemic that has transformed the life patterns, we have other factors which raises the questions of doubt. Are we really free? Rioting, lynching of people because of selections of food, forced conversions of people's religions, rape, murder, and the list goes on and on and on. So, my dear students, teachers, well-wishers and friends, we need to treasure freedom. But at the same time, we cannot misuse our freedom. We have our free will, but it's up to us to decide what we want to do in our lives. We are the decision makers. We need to take the decisions in our lives. It's this decision that can take us to the road to success or the road to ruins. Happy Independence Day to one and all, and Jai Hind.
Yes, thank you so much, sir, for those lovely, lovely words. We are celebrating the 74th year of independence. And today, Principal Sir has put forward a very pertinent question. Are we really free? So that's the thought we would like to leave you with today. Think about what Sir has said. Are we really free? And I'm sure we will all get the right answer. So to conclude today's lovely, short and meaningful celebration, it gives me great honor to welcome amongst us our headmistress, Mrs. A. Mukherjee. She's at home.
Send a really heartfelt thanks to our principal who spared time to grace the occasion. Today, we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. I am immensely thankful to our headmaster, Mr. Jason Hardy, and coordinator, Mrs. Suman Roff, for their efforts towards anchoring of today. Their own ideas and elegance of explanation of everything, I need to mention my deepest sense of appreciation. An event like this can't happen overnight. It requires planning and a bird's eye for the details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated staff of our institution who are well versed in their job, like Mr. A. Abhijit Mukherjee, Atoshi Shrestha, Pooja Baldeva, Mr. A.K. Singh, Ramanuj, Ms. Chanda Biswas, Sayan Bose, and Arithro De. I am short of words for their involvement and their willingness to take to the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. A special mention to our respected principal, Dr. R. Gasper, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillars of strength. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank our loving teachers for their untiring efforts, who has imbibed an essence of Independence Day in the budding rock stars of the primary, pre-primary sections, and we could enjoy a reflection of their impression and performance just yesterday and today. I would also like to thank the people who worked behind the scene to make this event happen. Our technical team, musicians, admin department, and all the housekeeping staff. Last but not the least, a big thank you to each one for your rock solid support in making this Independence Day celebration memorable for all of us. Thank you so much. Thanks again to all of you. Thank you.
Yes, thank you to our headmistress.
Hello? Hello?
We come to the end of today's program. Thank you to our principal, Dr. Richard Gasper. Thank you, Mr. Abhijit Mukherjee. And thank you all at home for joining us and making this occasion so very special. God bless you. Stay safe. Stay happy. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.